The back end of where I was yesterday, right off Springwells and Evans. And you got this dump site. Look how sickening people are dumping. You got a bum down there. God bless your soul. We got an abandoned school coming up here. Look at all the graffiti here. How nice these courts are. I'm gonna go. We're right at Evans and Pershing, right off of Springwells. These are nice ass basketball courts. This school is abandoned. Look how the graffiti up there. But look how nice these courts are. Ow! See the beautiful courts? If I wasn't getting stabbed. Oh my god. These things are extra sharp. Excuse me. Holy smokes. Look at my shoes. Try not to step on these things. Wow. It's like razor blades. Oh my god. Oh, they got pro rims up here, so you can dunk on them. That's sweet. Dude, these things attacked me everywhere. Ow. Ah, look at my legs. I hope they don't got poison in them, but they're everywhere. Look at this. Wow. That's wild. Abandoned locker room. Carmona. Gotta go to class, kids. Oh, jeez. This should be the gym. Look at this. Well, look at the bump in the floor. This is a hoop floor. Ready? But look at this awesome graffiti. See the hump in the floor? It's a big gym. This is right off Springwells. Oh, I don't know what's in my foot. These things are itching bad. Ow! Ah! Getting pickered. There we go. Excuse me, sorry. Man, it's creepy in here. Look at that. That leads outside. Here's an old hallway. Wow, looks like a horror film. Look at down there. Get down there. Down there. This looks like the cafeteria and the stage room. Omar, he's a big tagger around here. You see his name a lot. I don't know if he's still around. A couple of them passed, RIP. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. I'm not getting on that stage. It looks like it's people fall through. We got a couple nice names there. Look at that. Got the staging set in there. Ah, those pickers, man, are no joke. When I was walking through the field, this is a big school, man. Here's the other side of the gym I came home. Welcome back. So this is the main entrance. Gotta be careful I don't step on something real sharp. Now I'm going through the hallway on Nightmare on Elm Street Part 2, where the guy's running through the hallway and it keeps getting longer when Freddy's chasing him inside the school. On Part 2, Jesse's school. Because it takes place at a high school. This is where I came in. I did a nice circle. Ah, I'm getting all stabbed up. What is in here? The girls' locker room? Hello? Oh, this is where I came in.